ADC0808 or 0809 chip. We will discuss about two chips of analog to digital converter 0808 and 0809. The only difference is the temperature in which they both operate. The temperature range is higher for 0809 in which it operates rather than for that of 0808. So this chip is microprocessor compatible 8-bit 8-channel multiplexer with 28-pin DIP IC. Here DIP means dual inline package, and the chip has 28 pins in total, and it can give output in 8 bits, that is whatever signal we will feed into it, the equivalent digital data will come in 8 bits. And 8 channel multiplexer means we can give 8 inputs to ADC, out of which only one will be selected for converting or finding out the equivalent digital data. And how to find out which one, we will use 3 select lines or 3 address lines. We will see. This chip uses successive approximation conversion technique and fabricated using CMOS technology. Earlier we have seen that there are two methods in which we can convert. The ADCs implement two methods: successive approximation and dual slope integration techniques. This uses the first one, 0808 or 0809, and it uses CMOS technology. The conversion delay is 100 microseconds. See, it is microseconds means this is a fast ADC at a clock frequency of 640 kilohertz. This converter internally has a 3:8 analog multiplexer, so that at a time 8 different analog inputs can be connected to the chip. So 8 different inputs can be given to the chip, but only one is selected for converting to equivalent data. This is unipolar ADC, that is it can convert positive analog input voltage to digital equivalent output. Means the voltages or the signals that have only positive voltages, the signals that have only positive voltages and not in the negative, in the minus y-axis, so only those signals can be converted to equivalent digital data. This chip do not contain any internal sample and hold circuit. Sample and hold circuit is required when we have to ensure the stability of the analog input. So internally it does not has this circuit, so we have to connect it externally. Out of these 8 inputs, analog inputs, only one input can be selected by using the address lines A, B, C. So we have 3 address lines A, B, C. If we want to select the signal which is at input 0, then this is the arrangement: B should be 0, C should be 0, B should be 0, A should be 0, and similarly this whole table. Remember, it is C, B and then A and not the opposite side. So this is the pin configuration of 0808 or 0809 ADC. Here we can see input 0 to input 7, all the 8 analog inputs about which we were talking here are connected in this order: IP0 to IP7, and then address lines A, B, C, or these select lines are mentioned here from 25 to 23. Then O7 to O0, this is the output that we will generate. The digital data, equivalent digital data, is arranged here. O7 is the MSB and O0 is the LSB. O0, O1, O2, O3, O4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the 8 bits. Then SOC or start of conversion signal pin, to which we will send 010 to indicate that ADC chip should start the conversion process, is located in pin number 6. Then EOC, end of conversion signal pin, That is, the ADC will give out the signal at this pin number 7 to indicate that conversion process is over, and then we can collect the 8-bit data, output data from here, that is output 0 to output 7. Then OE pin is the output latch enable pin. If this is high, we can receive the output, so this should be kept high at pin number 9. Then clock, VCC and ground, V reference plus and V reference minus, to which clock will be given to the chip, and these are the supply power supply pins. Positive reference voltage should be plus 5 volt and negative is 0 volt. So this is the architecture. Here we supply the 8 input voltages, out of which these are the select lines, 3 select lines. Out of the 8 inputs, these 3 select lines help to select only one output or only one signal which goes to the op-amp, and then the conversion begins. The conversion of the signal to data happens in these 3 units. This is the output latch, or after finishing the process using register ladder and switch tree, this is a DAC, digital to analog converter, and control and timing unit. And this op-amp, we have also given V reference plus and V reference minus along with SOC pin and clock. This whole unit, both of these will convert the analog signal, this analog signal, to the respective equivalent 8-bit data, and after it has converted, it will give an EOC signal through this EOC pin, and then if this is high, we can obtain the 8-bit data from here.